Everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how I have connected my Facebook pages with my Google Chat Hangout space such that whenever I receive a new comment for my business, which I have created a Facebook account for that business on my Facebook page, then that comment is automatically shared with my team on Google Chat Hangout space. So here we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not, and then we are going to start creating this from the scratch. Now this is the Facebook page by the name Digital Dynamics. I'm going to open my other Facebook account and I'm going to do a comment from there. So over here I'm going to comment, hey, can you help small businesses? I'm going to post this comment, and here let's wait till the comment is posted. And here it is, we have posted this comment, hey, can you help small businesses? Now I'm going to go back towards my Google Chat Hangout space and check whether it is shared with my team there or not. And here it is, you can see that just now we have shared this. Hello team, we have received a new Facebook comment. Here are the details. We have the name of this person who have sent this comment, and then we have the comment, hey, can you help small businesses? Please follow up ASAP. So this message has been sent to my team on this particular space in Google Chat Hangout. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and now to learn how you can also create this, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to send my Facebook comments, which I'm receiving on my Facebook page, to my Google Chat Hangout to my team. And for this, I'm simply going to build connection between my Google Chat Hangout and Facebook pages using Pabbly Connect. Now this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect Access now, and here I've landed towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now you can see all the workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I have to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as never miss a Facebook comment again, instant team alerts, and now I'm going to select the folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has opened in front of me where I have to enter a trigger application. Now here trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new Facebook comment, it should be automatically sent to my team on my Google Chat Hangout, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new comment, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook pages, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking Google Chat Hangout. Here in my trigger application, let me take Facebook pages. In my trigger event, I'm going to select new comment and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook pages. Now here I have already logged in my Facebook account, and I'm going to continue with the same account itself. It is important that you keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here connection created successfully. Facebook pages is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the page. Now over here, if I open my Facebook account, this is the page which I've created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I want whenever someone comments on this particular page, the comment should be shared with my team on Google Chat Hangout space. So over here, I'm going to select the page as Digital Dynamics, and then I'm going to simply click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I'm going to post a new comment on my Facebook page. If I receive the response over here, then this is going to show us the connection setup which we have just created is working fine. I'm going to open my another Facebook account and do a comment from there. So here I have opened this page from my another account and I am going to drop a comment here. So here I am going to enter, hello, I want to know about your business. I'm going to post this comment, and here you can see that we have successfully posted this comment. Now I'm going to go back towards my workflow and check whether I've received any response there or not. Here first I'm going to open my Facebook, and over here we are going to check we have received any comment from my other account or not, and this is the same comment which we have done, and we have received this comment 1 minute ago. Now let me go back towards the workflow, and over here we can see that we have received this response 31 seconds ago, which means as soon as we have done the comment, we have received the response. So we have received these details, the comment, the ID, the account which has done this comment, and then we have received the rest of the details with the comment message, which is, hello, I want to know more about your business. Here as soon as we have received the response, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new comment, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new comment, I want to share that to my team on Google Chat Hangout. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Chat Hangout. In my action event, I'm going to select create message and then click on connect. Now over here I need to enter the chat webhook URL, and then I have to enter the message. Both are required fields. Now over here it's written enter your Google Chat room webhook URL. Here you will be able to register the webhook only if you have Google Workspace account. I'm going to open my space which I've created. I'm going to go towards this arrow, and over here I'm going to go towards this apps and integrations. Now over here you can see this add webhook. I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to name this webhook. So here let's say the name is Facebook. Then I have to enter this avatar URL. So if I go back towards my workflow, I have this hyperlink provided to me. I am going to open this hyperlink, and I will be redirected towards this forum page of Pabbly. If I scroll down, the avatar URL is provided to me. So I simply have to copy this and paste it over here. And then I have to simply save this. You will see a new webhook URL will be provided to me. Here it is. I am going to copy this link and paste it over here. Then I have to enter this message. So I'm going to enter the message like, hello team, we have received a new Facebook comment. Here are the details. I'm going to provide the name and then the comment. Please follow up as soon as possible. Now I'm going to enter the name and the comment, but I'm not going to enter like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. Now, if you are an existing user, you already know about mapping, but if you are a new user, what you have to do, you click slash, and as you click slash, you can see this Facebook pages, and you can see all the response which we have received from there. We have to enter the name, so I'm going to map the name, and then I'm going to enter the comment following the same process. So the comment was this, hello, I want to know more about your business. And in this manner we have mapped this. Now mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'll simply click on the save and send test request, and here we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Google Chat Hangout space and check whether I have received this message there or not. I'll go back, and here it is. You can see just now I have received this message. Hello team, we have received a new Facebook comment. Here are the details. The name and the comment is this. Please follow up ASAP. Now to summarize, we took Facebook pages as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new comment, and then we wanted to share it to our team on Google Chat Hangout space. We took Google Chat as our action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally send the message to our team. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Facebook pages and Google Chat Hangout using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Now before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.